We're going to talk about yeast infection and pregnancy. We're going to talk about the causes, the symptoms, also how to get rid of it. Yeast infections are more common during pregnancy. Any condition that triggers hormonal swings can lead to yeast infections. Other conditions would be puberty, menstruation, PMS, and the use of oral contraceptives can also trigger it. So obviously it is going to happen during pregnancy more often than not because of your elevated hormonal levels. Candida overgrowth is stimulated by the female hormone progesterone. Progesterone is at elevated levels during pregnancy, which explains why it's more common during pregnancy. Be especially careful. Most treatments for yeast infections specifically say they are not safe to take while pregnant. Make sure that you read the guidelines. Do not get discouraged though. You will find a number of them do say that you should not take them during pregnancy, but do not be discouraged. You need to just educate yourself as to yeast, which is also known as candida by the way, and understand the causes. If you understand the causes, you can take care of them with small changes in your lifestyle, because you can stop the causes before they happen. There are some simple causes that you can change in your lifestyle. Some lifestyle changes could include your diet. You should try to ingest less fatty, sugary, and mucus-forming foods. You want to incorporate more greens, which are rich in nutrients, vitamins, and enzymes. Also drink plenty of liquids. Avoid prescription drugs. Prescription drugs have acid-forming materials which leaves your body imbalanced. An imbalanced body cannot heal itself, especially while pregnant, because it's working so hard to feed the baby and grow the baby. Avoid prescription drugs also because they suppress the immune system. Try to keep the bowels clean with more fiber and water. This will help to eliminate the toxins from your system, which is another reason and cause for getting yeast infections. There are some yeast infection home remedies that will work for women while they're pregnant. They're natural, safe, and inexpensive yeast infection home remedies. Lots of information about your body's functions would be important to use as you're looking for your yeast infection home remedies. You can also find out and have someone explain to you what yeast or candida is, where it comes from, and how to get rid of it. You can find that information out at candidayeasttreatment.net. That's www.candida, C-A-N-D-I-D-A, yeast, Y-E-A-S-T, treatment, T-R-E-A-T-M-E-N-T.net, N-E-T. Make sure you put .net. CandidaYeastTreatment.net has educational videos. They have several articles. They have an informational blog. They have specific home remedy treatments that are available for your use. They educate you about the causes, about the conditions of candida in your system. Again, candida is another word for yeast. Basically, they have everything you could possibly need pertaining to this problem. Educate yourself. It's the best thing you can do when worrying about the health of you and your child. And best of luck with your situation.